Once you activate a design in the Manage Designs area, you'll spend the rest of your time in the ProPhoto Customize area. This one page consists of many sections covering all the different aspects of your site. You'll add your own style and personality to your site by working with the settings found in these sections. Each area covers a different aspect of your site's appearance. Whenever you see something that looks like this, it's a place where you can pick a color. If you know the 6-digit color code you want to use, you can type it in. Or, use the built-in color picker by dragging the circle to choose a color visually. This sliding control here changes the saturation of your color, and this sliding control changes the opacity or transparency of the color. Not all color areas support this opacity control in ProPhoto. Along the bottom, the colors you've used earlier in your design will be saved. New color creations are added here automatically when you're done customizing your color, making it easy to reuse colors in several different areas of your design without going through the process over and over. This helps you use a consistent color palette across your site. When you see a slider control like this, slide it left or right to change the value. If you're having trouble getting the exact value you want, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard and you can nudge this number up and down. Scattered throughout the customized areas of ProPhoto, you'll find lots of places where you can upload images. Just click to upload an image like this. If you've already uploaded a graphic and you want to use it again, choose the Choose Upload Image tab up top to pick one, instead of re-uploading the same image multiple times. Use the controls in this screen to filter the images that are listed. If you want to use an image that was included with your ProPhoto purchase, use the Choose Starter Image tab up top to pick from images that are used by starter designs. This is sort of an image library for your ProPhoto graphics, and if you purchase an add-on design from our site, the graphics in that design appear here as well. Lastly, some areas allow you to choose buttons instead of images, and these areas show an extra tab up top where you can make a button selection. For more information on creating and editing buttons, visit the Buttons area within ProPhoto, which has a walkthrough video of its own. After you've chosen an image, ProPhoto will give you information about that image. In a few customization areas, you'll find a recommended size for your image, and you'll be warned if you upload an image with the wrong size. Resize your image on your computer and upload again as a replacement. One thing to keep in mind is that in most cases, ProPhoto will not resize the images that you upload, so you'll need to size them how you want them to appear in your site design before you upload them. This gives you maximum control over how your images appear in your design. It's also helpful to export your images in the sRGB color space, so use Save for Web in your image software whenever possible. When you've made one or more changes that you feel good about, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. You can then view your site and refresh the page to see your changes. If you're doing a lot of customization work at once, you might find it helpful to open your site in another browser tab. That way, you can go back and forth between ProPhoto and your site, refreshing when you save changes to view your progress. If you have questions or problems as you work in these areas, you'll find help built in. Click the blue More Info icon for a small explanation of what each area is about. Click the red Read Tutorial lifesaver for a step-by-step help in a detailed tutorial. Click the black Watch Video icon for a guided video which walks you through the area so you can see how the settings will affect your site. You can also contact us through our website for help or specific support. Be sure to check out our site for lots more tutorials and videos.